So every year, whenever Apple introduces a new iPhone, new wallpapers will be added. And in this year's version, we have this wallpaper. It looks like time glass or something. It's just two circles and they're like stacking into each other. And I bet you might be thinking, how do I get that wallpaper if you have the iPhone 14 or 14 Pro? So it's actually basically very simple. It's not like the traditional way, like going to your settings, going down to wallpaper and customize it right from here. Well, you can do that, but the more easier way is to just hold and tap. I need to unlock my screen, obviously. So you need to unlock your screen and hold and tap, and now you can customize it right from here. This is the most easier way, and you can choose between these colors. If you like this purple color, for example, yeah, you can leave it on it. You can add widgets. As you have thought, you can add a battery. You can't go wrong with a battery widget, the calendar, and maybe we can add like forced. That's a widget that keeps your focus on the thing that you're doing and not going back to your iPhone every now and then. And now I forgot to hit done. So that's something that you need to add as well. So hit widgets, add those widgets. We want for battery, calendar, and it's almost annoying that you need to tap on that cross whenever you have added your battery. And forced, maybe we add this one, start focusing, and you need to hit done to make sure you have added that new wallpaper. You can set it as a wallpaper pair, or you can customize your home screen as well. You can go for the original or the color. If you tap on color and you tap again on that color, you can add whatever color you like. If you want to have that notch or that pill-shaped notch disappear, you can go for the black color, hit done, and now you have this new widget. And now that pill-shaped widget disappears as well. The only problem with that is whenever you have, see if you have something else on the background with another color, it appears immediately. So yeah, that's something that you should think about, but you will not see it if you turn your background into a black background, obviously. So if I go back, and this is the new wallpaper that you can set right from your home screen, or right from your lock screen, I should say, in the most easier way. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you change your wallpaper into this newest wallpaper. I hope you've liked this video. If you have something, or if you have any questions about it, obviously leave them in the comment section below. Like this video, it helps me a lot. Subscribe to this channel, watch one of my recent videos right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.